What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Vlogmas. For today's video, first and foremost, I have to go over to my mom's house. I'm going to do my mom a favor and vacuum out another room that needs to be cleaned because it is disgusting in there and I am not a fan of that. So we're going to go over to my mom's place, get that room cleaned up using my Hoover smartwash vacuum. Thank you, Hoover. I love and appreciate you guys. So let's get that taken care of, and then from there, we'll see what else we get into. So I'm back at my mom's place. I'm in my niece's room, and this room is disgusting. It is gross in here. The floor needs to be clean. I'm gonna put Hoover to the test. How well can we clean this floor? I'm gonna give you guys a before and after. Here's the before. Stains on the floor, obviously need a vacuum, but there's a lot of discoloration, like dirt or whatever, I don't even know. It's very gross in here. We're gonna put the Pet Complete Hoover smartwash to the test and see what she can do for my niece's room, because this is unacceptable on all counts. I do not condone this type of living. This is gross being in here. So let's see what Hoover Pet Wash Complete can do for us. Look at this. This is literally like 15-20 seconds of vacuuming. It is very gross in here. Let's show you how nasty this floor is. It smells like ugh. This is the after. This is crazy. Wow. Look at the difference. This stuff is okay. This is just solution. These are actually glue stains because my niece is into arts and crafts, so this is dried up glue. So that's gonna take a lot more work to do, but just looking at the overall, just looking at the difference, bro, it is incredible. Look how much dirt was in this carpet. It's almost to the max line, so we gotta dump this fairly soon. That's crazy, bro. Incredible. This is the Pet Complete Hoover Smartwash Vacuum Cleaner. There's been a couple of pets running around in the house, and there's actually one that remains today. My mom's dog, so getting this carpet extracted from, you know, urine or throw up or even juice, soda spills, things of that nature, the Smartwash Hoover Complete system works as like a whole extraction vacuum. It's amazing. This product is like, look at the filth, yuck. And don't feel too discouraged about how this works. I'm gonna break it down to you in the simplest way possible. You have your water tank right here. You have your solution tank. It mixes by themselves, so you don't have to add water, add that solution, mix it yourself. This does everything for you. All you have to do is add the solution, add the water, and somewhere internally in this vacuum, it mixes together and give you a fresh, clean carpet like this. This is where the nasty stuff goes. This right here is the spot chaser. I have no more fluid because, well, I used it all. Not on this carpet, but my previous carpet in my other room. But this works amazing. All you'd have to do is hit that button, eject, use the penetrating spray button right here, and it'll spray where you got a nasty stain that is being stubborn to come off. This will take care of that. To put it back in, you just pop it back in. Nice. Let's say you just want to dry the carpet, right? Let's say you got water, you already did your vacuum, you just want to just dry it. Has a dry only mode. Once the vacuum is on, you just hit the button for the dry only and it should illuminate green. The products used in today's cleaning is a Hoover Paws and Claws Neutralize and Defend solution. We also have the scent booster to give my niece a nice, fresh smelling carpet. It's beautiful. I want to extend a massive thank you to Hoover for helping me out, getting my niece's room nice and clean for the holidays. Can't thank you guys enough. And if you guys are interested in your own Hoover Pet Complete Smartwatch system, first link down in the description box below. Go and get that. and have your room neutralized, odorless, and smelling beautiful. Once again, thank you to Hoover for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so I'm leaving my mom's place. Gotta go to UPS, drop off my girl's package, college stuff, cause she is. I wanna let you guys know what she does. I don't know, we gotta do our podcast so I can really introduce you guys to her and her crazy ass. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Oh, it's gonna rain later today. I'm hungry, but I can't eat food outside because she always say every time she makes food for me, I don't eat it. I can't even lie. I don't know, man. I really like the new Civic. Like, I really like it. It looks really good in the back. You throw a spoiler on that thing, some wheels, that should've looked nice. A-spec rear kit, or HFP rear lip kit, front lip kit, splitter. Civic will look really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm also really liking the new Corollas. Those are sick. Damn, what happened to the front end? I need like a 10 to 24 zoom lens. Cause this 10 to 18, I can't go too far. Too far, bro. I can't go too far. True. Now leaving UPS. Now I'm on the way back home so I can fix the Integra. Well, not really fix it, but the Integra needs. I gotta fix the exhaust. Oh shit, the Corolla I seen the other day with baby girl. Oh yeah. Y'all thought I was roasting. Oh, he can't see. That's why I need a bigger lens. I need a 10 to 24 lens, man. I need a bigger lens, bro. Yeah, the Integra got an exhaust rattle. I'm racing it this weekend at Import Face Off. So if you want to see the Integra on the drag strip, come out to Import Face Off. I think tickets are still available. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so come out, have a good time, bro. It should be a swell of a time. Big body Benz, remember I used to be dusty. Big body Benz, remember I used to be dusty. Big body Benz, alright, I gotta go. Green light. Green light. Man, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been commenting on the video, showing nothing but mad love. So last night I read all the comments. Well, not all, but like on the last couple of videos I've been reading the comments, and bro, there have been so much love shown to me, bro. And that's why I love the little fan base that I do have, man. I might not have an active 263,000 subscribers. Hell, might not even have an active 10,000 or 15,000 or 20,000. But the people I do have that comment, like, in order for my channel to grow, when people are like, yo, I don't understand how you so underrated, yada, 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 it's because my engagement is low. But I don't really care about the, like, of course I care because I gotta make money at the end of the day to support the house and things of that nature. But being real, being my authentic self, I'll always generate the right people needing to watch the videos and to really, you know, support me in a sense where they're watching, they're commenting, they're liking. It may not be a lot of y'all, but for the ones that but for the ones that do comment, like, you know, watch the video, show love in the comment, like, bro, that means, bro, I wanted to cry. Like, if I was a crybaby type person, I'd probably cry because the comments was just beautiful, man. Like, yo, Zosh, bro, you're hella underrated. I just want to see you win. Like, there's so much love that you guys show me that I don't see because I'm so used to always negative shit. Like, I'm always used to people talking shit, used to people saying that I'm this, I'm that, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm my authentic self at the end of the day, right? I'm gonna always be true to who I am and what I stand for. And the people that do know, like, the whole quote, real, recognize real, is some very true stuff, because a bunch of people that watch me and support me are some real genuine people, man. And they, you know, and like, I can tell because they fuck with me. Like, it's just how it goes. Like, you see some fake stuff on YouTube, some fake people, and you see their fan base, and it's a bunch of people that are like, I don't know, bro. I'm just glad that, like, I can post pretty much things that I want to post, and I'll still get the same amount of views on them. Like, it may not be a lot of views, but that means that people are watching me for me and not very much the car stuff, which, I mean, car stuff is a passion. I love the car stuff. Like, but I wanted to say just thank you, and I fuck with y'all heavy, man. I love y'all. Thank you for just wanting to see me succeed, bro. That alone means a lot to me because I know it's gonna happen one day. Somehow, one video is just gonna click for people and they're gonna tune in. Then it's just gonna be up from there, bro. We're gonna be able to do more builds, more things of that nature. Like, that's how you gotta make it on YouTube, man. You gotta have a good support system. Once you have a good support system, the money will come in from the views, people watching the videos, commenting, liking, all that generates revenue. The more people to do that, the more I can do more fun and exciting things. That might be hard to understand to some people, because they expect you to, like, oh, you're YouTube, you should have money. How you get money, bro? You guys gotta watch. I'm having fun creating vlogs. I'm having fun doing this stuff. So we'll just see what happens, man. We'll just see what happens. If it makes sense for me to continue to do this, I'm gonna do it. If it doesn't, gotta find a new way, man. I gotta build a life, bro. I can't just be relying on these small ass checks to get by. I gotta be able to kill it. I gotta make that guap. You feel me? All right, long as you feel me, we good.